Our pool thermostat equipped with 1.5-inch PVC connector. You should use schooner 41.5 inches PVC pipe for plumbing installation. If you want to use other size of PVC pipe, remember to start with 1.5 inches. Loosen the screws of top cover and open it. For regions with a standard voltage of 110 volts, such as the United States and Canada, the thermostat requires 1 ground wire and 2 hot wires. Ensure that the wiring complies with local electrical standards to guarantee safe operation. Please select the breaker based on the power of the heater. Remember to use a circulation pump rather than a booster or submersible pump. Also, the power of the circulation pump should be more than 1 HP. If you use a pump with a power of less than 1 HP, it may cause insufficient water flow. If the indicator light of water flow is lit, it indicates that the water flow rate is normal and the pool heater will be heated properly. When the heat indicator light is lit, it means the heater is heating up. A thermostat works by circulating water through a heating element within the circulation system. As the water passes through the heating element, it absorbs heat, increasing its temperature. The thermostat ensures that your spa maintains a stable and comfortable temperature for a perfect experience every time.